Okay, ito, last ko na lang. No? I will be announcing changes in starting with the regions and some districts today. No? And the first announcement I will be making is the relief of 4 regional directors. So there have been, we are officially relieving today for various reasons. No, specifically because there are ongoing investigations here, which I cannot fully disclose to you. But suffice it to say, we are investigating a lot of people in the department, and officially we are relieving 4 regional directors. Regional Director Ronel Tan of Region 1, Regional Director Jovel Mendoza of Region 4A, Regional Director Virgilio Eduarte of Region 5, and Regional Director Danilo Villa of Region 7. We are also relieving Assistant Regional Directors ARD Neil Farala of Region 4B, and also Regional Director Annie De La Vega of Region 5. And we are also relieving Regional Director Umali, District Engineer Umali of the 3rd District of Metro Manila, and District Engineer Manny Bulusan of South Manila DEO. So, relief ito, so they are relieved effective when I sign the relief orders, which will come in the next day or so. We are also for all intents, relieving 3 DEs, La Union 1st District Engineering Office, Sherry Lan Gonzalez, Iloilo City DEO, Roy Pacanan, and Leyte 4th District District Engineer Peter Scheller Soco, because they have not met CSE qualification standards. So we are going to be very, very strict, and I will be releasing in the next few days or weeks, the new requirements, merit requirements for all officials of DPWH, specifically district engineers, assistant district engineers, the regional directors, and assistant regional directors. Gagawin nating mas matibay, mas malakas ang mga requirements at qualifications para sa mga opisyales ng department. And this will come in the next few weeks. Pero ito na yung initial batch ng mga relieve natin. At mag-a-announce din ako ng mga changes across the various regions. And I will make this public. This is for meron tayong pagbabago sa mga iba't ibang regions. Merong mga iba na magsistay muna, may mga iba na papalitan. No? And I will give you this list. We will publish this list after this press conference. No, ito yung from regions. So next slide, please. You don't have to take a picture. We will just release it to you. And these are the new assignments for regional directors, and also for tawag dito new. Sorry, may mali dito. Si Director Ayag lilipat sa Region 6 at si RD Fruto lilipat sa Magito. So anyway, we will correct this, and we will correct this and move it to you. Anyway, yeah. So and then, sorry, what about the ARDs? Ayun na, nandiyan na rin pala ang ARDs. No? So anyway, we will send you the final list today.